everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually keep more of your money, your hard-working money that you're making on Turo, not letting Turo take so much from your money. So what I'm talking about today is going to be your protection plan. Now, I know a lot of you guys are very sensitive with your protection plan. You're very sensitive about your car because you're so sensitive. You feel like, man, you need to put the most coverage on the car. Well, guess what? You don't have to do that. You don't have to put the most coverage on your car. If you have a loan, just make sure you get GAP. You have GAP insurance, that's great. Let's say if you have regular insurance, that's great. You don't have to put a full 75, 60 plan, that's crazy. That's so much money you leaving on the table. You see me, I had 4 cars on Turo. I had, those 2 cars back late in June. So that's why they only completed a little trip then. But I also lost one of my cars due to an open recall, which is crazy. But what I'm showing you today, like I said, this is gonna be very helpful, and you'll keep most of your money if you follow this. And listen to me carefully so you can really understand what I'm trying to say. So when I started Turo, I just wanted to test it. I wanted to test Turo to see exactly how much money this thing can make me before I make Turo become a primary income. So I wanted to see, there's potential. I've seen the potential, but what I didn't get is the coverage, the protection plan coverage that Turo have. As you can see right now, I'm on the 85% plan. But I understand I have to pay this much out of my pocket. But what if I tell you there's a way you can do it to kind of be prepared for that moment? So what I did, I start off with Turo using the 75% plan because I had $200 cash flow, at least $250 cash flow I put on the side. I'm like, hey, in case anything happened, that $250, I'm gonna give it as my deduction. So it's the same thing too. If you have enough cash flow, why not just take the 85 or the 90% plan? So right now I was able to grow my Turo account to a very good, significant, decent amount of money. Because of that, I have enough cash flow not only to maintain my car, to make my car payment, to pay some small bills I have, like my phone bills, maybe my water, my light bills and stuff like that. I have enough cash flow to take care of those things. Not my mortgage yet, but Turo can take care of some of my bills, So because I have enough cash flow, I move that amount to on the side. Say, hey, this money is gonna be on that side, on this account here, just to keep it in case anything would have happened to my car, and then I'll use that as my deduction. And that's all it is. You just have to make sure you put this money on this side, leave it there until you run into problem. If you have the cash flow. If you don't, then stick with the 75. But if you look at your bank account, you see you have the cash flow, you can do it, just move this money on the side, then upgrade yourself to the 85%, to the 90. Once I get to some level, I'm gonna be on the 90 because I have enough cash flow there. So, and in that way you earn more of your money. And when you do earn more of your money, here's how it's gonna look like. I don't wanna show too much, but here's a perfect example. This is on my 85% plan. 7 days total, 286, and I'm getting, it's literally feel like Turo is only getting paid $40. $40 from my whole, 286 total. I know they make some extra money on their insurance protection that the guest has to take. And of course, they charge me 10% for my delivery fee. I'm charging for a child seat for $10. So there's money to be made. Don't leave anything on the table just because you're so worried about your protection. Oh, my car needs to be covered in case something happens. No, you don't have to put so much coverage on your car when it comes to the Turo. This is just a way of them making more money on you. Because let's say you spend 10 years doing Turo, you never run to problem. When you could have just saved this amount of money, just to earn more. Come on. Let's be real, people. Don't be afraid of taking risk. Make sure you have the money. It's not big risk. Just make sure you have the money saved, put that on the side, and then upgrade yourself to the 85. Pretty soon I'm gonna do the 2,500 because I want to make the most that I can. I don't care about the coverage they're offering me. I mean, I've been doing it since February. I've never run into any problems. So all that time that I was paying the 75, I kind of regret it. Yes, they will give you the 30-day rental, but did you know in your regular insurance you can also get rental coverage? So do that. Get that on your regular insurance. You don't need the Turo replacement coverage. No. There's a lot of things you don't need. So just trying to earn more by upgrading yourself. Here's what I wanted to share with you. If you liked this video, if you understand, please subscribe to my channel because I'm always going to keep it real with you and sharing everything that I know. So I can't tell you to do something that I'm not doing. So again, this is Rose. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.